Introduction. Timeout control in JavaScript provides opportunities for tasks such as animations, API calls, and algorithm scheduling. SetTimeout function is a key component for such control. This function is part of the Web API provided by the browser and not part of the JavaScript language itself. Understanding the SetTimeout function is a method of the window object that allows execution of code after a specified delay time. Syntax SetTimeout function milliseconds. The function parameter is the function to be executed after the delay. The milliseconds parameter is the delay time in milliseconds. SetTimeout function returns a unique ID which can be used to cancel the timer with the clearTimeout function. Basic example of SetTimeout function. Example SetTimeout function console log hello world 2000. In this example, hello world will be logged to the console after a delay of 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds. Common misconceptions and mistakes. Mistake: forgetting SetTimeout is asynchronous. JavaScript will not wait for SetTimeout to finish before executing the next line of code. Misconception: SetTimeout doesn't guarantee that the code will run exactly after the specified delay. It only ensures that at least the specified amount of time will pass before the code is executed. Tips and tricks. To execute a function immediately and then at regular intervals, use SetTimeout inside a function and call it once outside, rather than using setInterval. Always clear your timeouts with the clearTimeout function, passing the ID returned by SetTimeout to avoid potential memory leaks. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Issue: using SetTimeout inside a loop. All iterations of the loop will be executed almost instantly, and the SetTimeout calls will all run at nearly the same time. Fix: multiply the delay by the loop index to stagger the timings. Example: for let I equals 0, I5, I++, SetTimeout function.log I 1000. Conclusion: SetTimeout function provides a powerful tool for controlling the timing of code execution in JavaScript. Understanding its asynchronous nature and how to work with it can save much confusion and frustration. With proper knowledge and care, it can be used to create dynamic, responsive, and efficient applications.